In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack lists in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This will really help us grow and create more content like this for you. Now, let's get right into it. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks, but sometimes you might find that you have a lot of lists or tasks that can get a bit overwhelming. That's where stacking lists comes in handy. It allows you to simulate a cleaner look and helps you manage your workflow effectively. I'm going to show you 2 methods to achieve this, so let's dive in. The first method we're going to explore is using visual separator cards. This method creates clearly separated sections inside a single list, helping you to organize your tasks into categories. To get started, open your Trello board and locate the list where you want to stack your tasks. At the top of this list, you'll see a button that allows you to add a card. Go ahead and click on that. Instead of entering a regular task, you'll want to enter a category title. To make it stand out, type it in all caps or use symbols and emojis. For example, you could type something like high priority to make it clear that this section is important. Once you've added the card, click on it to open the details. Here, you can add a colored label to really make it pop visually. Maybe you want it to be red for urgent or yellow for medium importance. You can also make the text bold if your Trello allows that in the card description, just to emphasize it as a divider. Now, after you've created your category card, it's time to stack your tasks underneath. Create another card right below the category header, but this time you might want to hit the spacebar once or type a dash so that you can create a small gap or space. This helps to visually separate your grouped tasks and makes it easier to navigate. Okay, let's move on to method 2, collapsing unused lists. This technique is super handy when you want to minimize horizontal space and focus only on your active columns. So let's say you have a list that you're not actively using and it feels like it's just taking up space. Here's what you do. Look for the 3 dots located at the top right of any list that you don't currently need. Once you click on those dots, you'll see an option that says Collapse List. Select that and watch as your list shrinks into a compact bar. It's a great way to keep things tidy while still maintaining access to all your important lists. So there you have it, 2 simple methods to help you stack lists and streamline your Trello board experience. Whether you're using visual separators or collapsing unused lists, these strategies will help you work more efficiently and keep everything well organized. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!